Hi friends, welcome to Channa Tech Point. Today we will see how to create a Spring Boot project using a Spring Initializr. Let's start the session. Go to Chrome browser, type Spring Initializr, select the first option start.spring.io. Spring Initializr is a web-based tool to generate the Spring Boot project. Here you can see project type is I'm selecting Maven, language Java, and the Spring Boot version I am selecting 3.0.2, group ID com.channa tech point, activate ID, we are giving a project name Spring Boot demo 2. Here package default package is com.channa tech point. Packing, leave it as a default as a jar. Here you can see dependencies. We need to add the dependencies here. Click on dependencies. I am adding web dependency. I am selecting this Spring Web Starter in Spring Boot. It automatically includes the REST API with embedded Tomcat server. Select the web. Click on generate. It will download the Spring Boot project. Downloads, project is downloaded. Extract here. Project extracted. Open Eclipse. Go to file. Click on import. Click on existing Maven projects. Click on next. Browse the project. Click on downloads. Select the Spring Boot demo 2. Click on finish. Now you can see project is imported. It will take some time to complete the project. Project is building. You can see. Click on Maven dependencies. All the Maven dependencies are installed from the central repository. Go to pom.xml. You can see pom.xml automatically generated. Whatever we defined dependencies in pom.xml, you can see in Maven dependencies. All dependencies are downloaded from the central repository. This is the main class. Project build successfully. Create one more package. You can see package is created. Create one class. Click on class. Class name is welcome controller. Here I am giving welcome REST controller. Click on finish. You can see class is created with welcome REST controller, annotated with REST controller. I am creating one sample method, public string welcome. Here I am creating one method with the welcome, and in return we pass the string welcome to Channa Tech Point. Here I annotated with get mapping. Value is welcome. Go to application.properties, go to resources, click on application.properties. Here we need to add port number. Server.port equal to 7846. Go to main method, run the application, run as Java application. Application runs successfully. You can see Tomcat started on port number 7846 with HTTP. Go to Chrome browser, we test in local. Localhost colon 7846. You can see application running successfully. Now what we need to do, we need to pass the REST API. Our REST API is welcome slash welcome. Click on enter. You can see welcome to Channa Tech Point. In this way we can create a Spring Boot project with the help of Spring Initializr web tool. Thank you for watching. For more updates, please subscribe my channel.